Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your business data in Pomelli. And this is in case you, let's say, enter your website, Pomelli generates a business DNA or a brand kit for you and pulls all the data from your business, logos, images, fonts, and all those good stuff. And now you're starting to, let's say, generate campaigns for your business. But let's say you want to restart, you want to choose something else, right? You have only one account and you just want to start fresh. You could reset all of this and start from scratch. So to do that, click the three dots on the upper right hand side next to your account, and here you have reset business DNA. If you click on that and click on delete all, it's going to delete all entire details there that's within Pomelli within seconds, and so you'll be able to start from scratch again by clicking on OK, then click on let's go, and from here enter your website again. And so it's going to give a fresh start, pull fresh data, and even if you want to use a different website, you could enter that and just add a new business DNA. So that's it. Very easy and very simple.